Try to soap on, chill on, babe. Life is a thrill, come and chill with me. The Ilikki Hotel and Luxury Suites. Located on Ala Moana Boulevard in Honolulu, Hawaii at 6 a.m. There are tons of shops to explore. And my favorite part, this ice cream parlor. And Tuesday's the best day. I bet you can figure out why. There is a fitness room here. There's no video of it because I never got to enjoy it similar to the pool, but I did want to come and check to see what it looks like, and I wasn't disappointed. Kahanamoku Beach and Lagoon right outside of the Ilikki Hotel. I'm just gonna add in some different photos of what it looks like at different times on different days because each time is just as beautiful. This breathtaking scenery is on my Instagram page every day because I'm here every day. And my favorite part of the beach, all the way towards the end, or the closest towards the mountain. And the scenery is so nice at the Ilikki. The waterfalls are my favorite part. You want an apartment tour? Let's see. Turn the lights on. To conserve energy, please turn off. Got it. All right. So this is from the front entrance. It's kitchen. You see a little closet. It's just out of the bathroom. Oops. Give us the good stuff. Shower. closet. I hope they got towels because we didn't bring any. Nice. Oh, and a blow dryer. Me. Lovely dining area. TV, watching Limitless. The bed with sliding doors. Oh, wait. Room area. If we had company and our room was dirty. But yeah, that's the bed. Random little closet thing, and then another closet. And the best part is the balcony. There's a bird right there on that person's balcony. That's mad funny. But yeah, it's a little sitting area and that one, but it's a pretty big balcony. I'm really taking the video of this building because Taekwon said this is the building that we're gonna stay in for a few months. This one here. But I don't care because I like this one. Now we're staying at the Discovery Bay Condominiums, and we are in Resolution Tower. Come in the door. Washer and dryer. Bathroom. Shower. Where's the light? I love it. I love it. And we're going to the bedroom. Oh, look at that view. Shit. Oh, it's the balcony. Oh, nice. Woo! That is beautiful. There you go. Okay. Babe over there. It's a dining area. I love it, I love it. Right around. It's a nice kitchen. I haven't seen one of these in a while. It's a huge TV. Loving all the mirrors. Ooh. Ooh. Random quick insert. Here's the largest common area of Discovery Bay condominiums. Due to COVID restrictions, only one person is allowed in the room at a time. There are 5 pieces of equipment in here. on the open water again. And the waves are wild today. The best parts, the mountain views. Love it. I love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.